Today, I'll walk you through how to video call on Snapchat, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to initiate a video call so you can connect with your friends in real time. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. Whether you're using an iPhone or Android, the process is quite similar. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The core features remain the same. Once you have the app open, you'll find yourself on the camera page. This is where the magic happens. Now, look towards the bottom of the screen for the chat icon. It resembles a speech bubble and is your gateway to conversations. Click on that icon to proceed. This will take you to your chat list. Next, you'll want to open the conversation with the friend you wish to video call. Scroll through your list of chats until you find their name and tap on it. If you have a lot of friends, it might take a moment to find the right one. It's totally normal if this takes a moment. Now that you're in the chat, look to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a video camera icon. This is your signal to start the video call. Go ahead and click on that icon, and just like that, you're ready to connect face-to-face. As a quick recap, you open Snapchat, access the chat icon, selected your friend's conversation, and clicked the video camera icon to initiate the call. It's as simple as that. If you follow these steps, you'll be video calling on Snapchat in no time. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try it out with different friends. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.